Next time you see those Girl Scouts in front of Walmart selling Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies, keep on stepping and think keto, because we got a better way coming right up. What is up, my keto friends? And I hope that you know who you are. I'm glad you do. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Yes, welcome back to another video on this channel. If this happens to be your first time that you're watching a video on this channel and you would like to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and also other keto related topics, do me a favor, click the subscribe button right below us, or there's a reminder right above me. Click the bell right beside it and also the word all so you get all notifications when we upload great ketogenic content on this channel. Now, as I mentioned before, on today's video, we're going to be doing something that the keto industry loves to do, which is take something that's horrible and make it better for your bloodstream. I'm talking about keto Thin Mints. You've heard about them. You probably bought them. Somebody sold them at work. I've sold them at work. What do you? Wait a minute. I don't have a daughter. Did Delory ever sell?
You don't have a daughter.
Wait, I do have a daughter. Have I ever had a daughter that sold? No, never had a daughter that sold Girl Scout cookies.
We did. She did sell Girl Scout cookies. Yes.
She was a brownie?
Yes.
I don't remember.
Remember at that little church beside the school? The little cute church? Man,
I don't remember. Well, I'm getting old and help me, I'm 86. Anyway, I don't remember that. Well, my point is...
You know that little cute church that always goes, oh, that church is so cute.
You talking about that I don't remember her selling Girl Scout cookies. But however, my point is you've seen the Girl Scout cookies, the tag-alongs, the Thin Mints, the Samoas.
Yum.
There's many, many more that they sell, and they do a good job. And you know what? They do taste delicious. However, at some point in your life, you got to go, what is my blood doing with all this sugar?
Right.
So we decided, hey, you know what? We like Thin Mints. And you know what? We figured out a way to make Thin Mints because they were so dang delicious. Now, I'll be honest with you. I'm not a mint/chocolate guy. I'm not a fan of the peppermint patty. I'm not a fan of the Andes you get, the little chocolate with the mints.
Missing out.
Really not a fan of the Thin Mint. However,
you like the mints that you used to get at Olive Garden. The little
that's Andes. What I'm talking about, the Andes.
You like them.
I won't overdo it.
You can eat those.
But we figured out a way, and thank goodness for Lily's Chocolate, because as y'all know, not a sponsor, I hope they are. As y'all know, we've cooked many times with these here, milk chocolate baking chips. Have we talked about these?
Haystack.
Oh, the Haystack cookies. We used these. That's a video right before us. You can click right here if you want to see Haystack cookies. We used butterscotch flavored baking chips. Okay, so that's a new addition. Susan just found out about this. Chocolate salted caramel flavored baking chips. Not sure what we're going to do with that, but it's going to be delicious.
And when I went to the store, because one of my keto friends sent me a text of the salted ones, I saw these little jewels.
I don't know if y'all see that. Pumpkin spice flavored baking chips.
Tis the season.
Tis the season for pumpkin spice. Oh, and also they added to their lineup white chocolate chips, which we introduced in our white chocolate chip macadamian cookies. Put that above us too.
Dude, those are like the best, because we used to use Bake Believe, but we don't like them so much.
Now, here is where it gets interesting. Chocolate mint flavored baking chips. Because that's why, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to step over you.
No, you didn't.
Hold that thought. That's why we decided, hey, let's do a Thin Mint cookie, because these will make the deal.
I made Thin Mint cookies before, but I made it with like actual cocoa and erythritol and all that kind of stuff. And so, but we didn't do a video on it, but I've made Thin Mint cookies before because those just seem to be the easiest. I would love to be able to do a tag-along or the Samoa, which maybe in the future I will, but it's just kind of intensive work for me.
Hey, you know what? We have the molds for it though. The silicone molds. Yeah, the Samoan molds. And we do a lot of stuff with the coconut flakes here.
Yeah.
Of course, you know, and I'm not a flake. Oh, by the way, this shirt, Liberty, And does that say freedom?
And justice for
Liberty
all.
and justice
No,
for
it
all.
says freedom.
Listen, it goes with my hair kind of right now. I kind of look like one of those guys.
Oh, you look like
George Washington.
Oh, okay.
Or no, you know the guys that Samuel Adams. You know he's got his ponytail.
Except he doesn't have a scrunchie in his hair like
Oh
you do.
yeah, sorry. Well, I digress. Let's make some Thin Mint cookies.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1/3 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup of erythritol, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. For the topping, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and Lily's chocolate mint flavored baking chips. Okay, and we're going to use a couple of drops of this peppermint oil to go into the actual cookie.
Prepare to die. Prepare to die. You will be eliminated.
And there's the finished product, my keto friends. As you can see in the video, Susan got a little tired of dipping
Somebody
the
wasn't helping.
stuff in the. Yeah, I was watching Flintstones or something.
Yeah.
Did you need help? Did you
Wow.
need help with that?
No, not at all.
I mean, all you had to do was get a ladle.
Wow, that's all I had to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I saw you were like throwing them in there and then just like pulling them out. But so you got tired of dipping.
Can we
So
eat
what did
them?
you do? Just like start.
I just poured it
over?
on instead of
Okay.
that kind of it. So.
All right. So here is the finished product, the Thin Mint. Oh, did we talk about the? Should you say anything about the extra ingredient in here? In addition to the flavored
Oh, yeah.
of the chocolate mint flavored that she used for chocolate, there's also a special ingredient in the cookie. Not the chocolate, but the cookie, which is peppermint.
I use Young Living.
Young
peppermint
Living's
oil.
peppermint essential oils. She
Oh
put
my
that
gosh.
in the stuff. Okay,
Just
let's
go
go.
ahead, dude.
All right.
You just waste that.
That's crunchy.
This one's very thin.
Oh, wait a minute.
This one's really thin. Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute. I didn't know it was gonna be that crunchy.
Thin that.
Hold, let me get up.
Oh my god.
Let me see if I can get up. Okay. Wait a minute.
Dude, this is the best. Oh my gosh. This is so
Dude,
good.
The flavor, now I will say this. You better watch out because it will melt on the fingers.
It gets smoky.
Dude, the flavor of the peppermint in this thing, you think you just jumped in a peppermint patty commercial or you just smoked a menthol cigarette. One of the two. Cool or Salem's, I don't know.
It's minty.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like I don't have to brush my teeth after this. And I have minty fresh breath. Here, smell.
No. Mm-mm. Oh, God.
Is that it didn't work? Well, did it smell minty?
You know when two people eat the same thing, they can smell the yuckiness
Let me see
of
here.
the... No.
Good.
You're a lie. I just brushed my teeth. Blah.
I feel like it smells minty. Smells?
Oh, this
Oh.
is really good.
Talk for a
This
minute.
is a good one. I'm very excited about this.
Okay.
We actually let the kids like devour the majority of them, and my mom, Miss Non-Keto, loved them.
Yeah. You're gonna have to keep talking, dude. I've got some crunch going, and I don't want to spit across the room.
We actually let them chill in the refrigerator for...
Those are my reaction to food, people.
Yeah, try going to a restaurant with them.
Good stuff.
We actually...
The waitresses love me.
Yeah, they do. We actually put them in the fridge and let them chill like for several hours. So that's why they're really good. And I'm just gonna have another one. Sorry.
Wow. I can't say enough about that. Here's the thing. I was gonna say this would be a great treat coming up in this season. We're coming into fall, Halloween, pumpkin. I'm just thinking of all the reasons you can have this Thin Mint cookie, and that just kind of all went together there.
How about Christmas since it's peppermint?
Is that better? Okay, Christmas, Thanksgiving. I was gonna say this, dude. You could actually make these and have your friends try them and go, hey, try these right next to the Girl Scout cookies, Thin Mints. We should have a taste test. Let me know in the comments below.
Yes,
if
taste
you've
test.
made these cookies and you have some Thin Mint from Girl Scouts laying around the house, because I know a lot of people have them laying around the house because they don't finish them. Taste them together and let us know in the comments which one's better and which one has.
Dude, who doesn't finish a box when it's like
Hey,
when
there's
you,
some.
when
There's
you open a box of Girl Scout cookies,
No, dude.
like literally they are devoured.
there's people at work that still have some on their desk. I'm not kidding. Still have them on their desk, and people will go, "Hey, are those? Can I get those cookies?" I'm like, "No, dude, those are somebody else's, and they can't get them." So-
Fines.
No, I'll go take a picture and show you.
Dude,
And I'll-
COVID, you haven't been to your work since March.
I
so
haven't been
whatever.
to work since 1965.
Anyway.
Anyway, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Thin Mint cookies for you and your family. If you are on a low carb, no sugar diet, this is a great one. If you
It's
did,
really good.
give us a thumbs up, a like, share this video, and also give some comments below, like I said, with any taste test that you do, or if you just make these and you find out they're amazing.
They're so
Leave us
good.
comments
I
there.
promise you. If you do it right, so good.
Also on the end card right behind this video, you'll see all our social medias you can get on. We're on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. You can see how to get on those if you want to follow us over there. And because she does some crazy stuff on Instagram, if you know, the private stuff, you know, we don't want to show it here because, you know, YouTube restrictions and all. But anyway, hey, remember, until next time, keep it, I don't know what I'm going to say. Peppermint patty? No, wait.